Hi everyone, I received this mini cordless chainsaw as a gift. Let's open the box, show you everything you get, and then we'll show you in action. You get a really nice case. You get a pair of gloves for oil, to add oil. You get 2 3-amp-hour batteries, chain guard, chain track. This is a longer one. You get an 8-inch and a 6-inch that's already installed on it. It's an 8-inch chain, so you can pair this chain with that other track and a charger. So you get 2 user manuals, one for battery and one for chainsaw itself. It's got a small oil tank right here, so you gotta fill it up with oil. Let's do that first before we actually use it. So you use provided bottle to fill up with chain oil. It has the safety built in, so you gotta press this first. You can do it on either side before you can press the trigger, or you can do it on the other side. Let's try to cut this branch off right here. Oh, it goes through like butter. Very nice and powerful cordless chainsaw. If you're looking for a compact but powerful tool, you should definitely take a look at this. Real nice product.